Hello, I'm Sridhar. In this video, I'm going to explain about the oxidation number and its calculations of different elements and molecules. Okay, at the end of objective in this period is at the end of the period, we would able to know the calculation of oxidation numbers of all the elements. We know already what is an oxidation number. That is the residual charge of an atom as or appear in a molecule or ion is called as oxidation number. Okay, in the last class we discussed the definition of oxidation number and its rules. Okay, that is the oxidation number definition is the residual charge of an atom as an as an or appear in a molecule or ion is called as oxidation number. And also we discussed the rules for determining the oxidation number. Okay, let us see some important uh, elements oxidation numbers. Generally hydrogen oxidation number is +1. Okay, normally the oxygen oxidation number is taken as -2. Halogens are nothing but seventh A group elements. Okay, these were taken as -1. In first A group metals, we have to take it as +1. For second A group elements, it's taken it as +2. For third A, it is equals to its group number. Hydrogen, usually we are using hydrogen oxidation number is +1, but in metal hydride cases, the hydrogen oxidation number is taken as -1. That is, for example, in sodium hydride is there. Sodium hydride. In that case, the hydrogen oxidation number is taken as -1. Generally, the hydrogen oxidation number is +1, but in the case of metal hydrides, we have to take it as -1. In the case of metal hydrides, the hydrogen oxidation number is -1. The usually used oxidation number is -2, but in the case of peroxides, we should take it as -1. Peroxide like sodium peroxide, hydrogen peroxide, barium peroxide. In those cases, each oxidation number is taken as -1. In the halogens, we have to take it as -1, means chlorine, bromine, iodine. Okay, for these we have to take it as -1. For first year group elements, sodium, sodium, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Okay, for this we have to take it as +1 oxidation state when it is combining with any of the elements. For second year group elements, the metals, the second year group metals, we have to take it as its group number as a oxidation number. That is beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. Okay, for these are all, when it is combined with any one, then we have to take it as plus 2. And next one is third year group elements, third year group metals. For the third year group metals are, for third year group metals, this can be taken as plus 3 as oxidation number, and the fluorine atomic number is always taken as minus 1 because of it is having high electronegative nature, high electronegative nature. Just some rules we have to discuss: the calculation of the oxidation number of elements. Okay, the algebraic sum of oxidation number of all the atoms in a molecule must be equals to 0. Simply, the sum of the oxidation number of metals atoms, the sum of the oxidation numbers of atoms in a molecule is equals to 0. In polyatomic ion, the algebraic sum of the oxidation numbers of all the elements must be equal to the charge on the ion. Okay, in the case of ions, the sum of the oxidation numbers of atoms in an ionic state is equals to their total net charge. Total net charge. The oxidation number of the atom to be calculated is assumed as X. Okay, mainly the main concepts are here: the algebraic sum of the oxidation number of all the elements or atoms in a molecule must be equals to 0. In polyatomic ions, the sum of the atoms in ion, the sum of the oxidation states of atoms in ion is equals to net charge on the ion. Okay, for the calculation of the oxidation number of the atom is assumed as X. Let us see one example. Calculate the oxidation number of manganese in KMnO4 molecule. Okay. Let the oxidation number of manganese in KMnO4 be equal to X. That is assumed as X. The oxidation number of potassium is plus 1. This potassium belongs to first A group elements. For first A group elements, we should take its oxidation number as plus 1. Means that is equals to its group number. And then usually the used oxidation state of oxygen is -2. Okay, according to rules for the calculation of oxidation number of an element in a molecule is the sum of the atomic the sum of the oxidation number of atoms in a molecule is equals to 0. Okay, we apply the that principle. Potassium plus manganese plus 4 into oxygen equal to 0. Okay, there are 4 atoms are there here: potassium, manganese and oxygen. Here potassium is one there, that is potassium plus manganese plus 4 oxygen are there, 4 into oxygen. Then the sum is equals to should be 0. But let us assume a manganese as X, but we know the potassium oxidation state is plus 2 plus 1. Here 4 oxygens are there, 4 into the usually used oxidation state is minus 2, then equal to 0. 1 plus x plus 4 into minus 2 is equals to 0. This equals to 1 plus x minus 8, 4 into minus 2 minus 8 is equals to 0. Then x minus 7 equal to 0, then x equal to plus 7, x equal to plus 7. Therefore the oxidation number of manganese in KMnO4 is plus 7. Okay, there will be one principle is there: the calculated value of any atom oxidation number in a molecular ion should not exceed its group number. The calculated oxidation number of atoms in a molecule or ion should not exceed its group number. Here manganese is a seventh B group element. So in this kind of uh, manganese is a plus 7 oxidation state, then it is equals to its group number. Then calculated value of manganese oxidation number is equals to plus 7. Okay, once again here repeating, let the oxidation number of manganese in KMnO4 is equals to x, or assumed as x. Let oxidation state of potassium is plus 1. Then it is a, therefore it is first A. Potassium is a first A group element. Next one is the general oxidation number. The general oxidation number is, the oxidation number of oxygen is minus 2. Then sum of the oxidation numbers of atoms in a molecule should be equals to 0. Okay, that is potassium plus manganese plus 4 into oxygen is equals to 0. Plus 1 plus x plus 4 into minus 2 is equals to 0. Then 1 plus x minus 8 equal to 0. Then x minus 7 is equals to 0. Then x equal to plus 7. Then calculated value of atom oxidation number should not exceed its group number. Here it is manganese is a 7th B group element, then it is equals to its group number, then calculated value of manganese oxidation number is plus 7 is right. Therefore the oxidation number of manganese in KMnO4 is plus 7. Let us see the calculate the oxidation number of chromium in K2Cr2O7 potassium dichromate. Potassium dichromate. Let the oxidation number of chromium in potassium dichromate is to be assumed as X. The potassium dichromate is assumed as X. Then here there are three different types of atoms are there in this molecule, that is 2 potassiums, 2 chromiums, 7 oxygens. Okay, let us see the oxidation number of potassium is equals to plus 1. The oxidation number of oxygen is usually taken as minus 2. Then we have to see the problem. 2 into potassium plus as per the rules, calculation rules, it is a potassium dichromate is a molecule. Okay, in this kind of molecules the atom's oxidation number can be calculated by using one formula, that is the sum of the oxidation states of atoms in a molecule is equals to 0. That is 2 into potassium plus 2 into X, where X is here potassium, X is here chromium, plus 7 into oxygen is equals to 0. Then already we know potassium is a first A group element, then its oxidation number is taken as plus 1. 2 into plus 1 plus there are 2 chromiums are there, 2 into X, plus there are 7 oxygens are there, then that is 7 into minus 2 is equals to 0. Then that is 2 into plus 1, that is equals to plus 2, plus 2 into x, 2x, minus 7 into 2, 7 to the 14, there is nothing but here minus 14 is equal to 0. Then 2x equal to minus 12 is equals to 0. When where 2x equal to 12, then x equal to 12 by 2, then that equal to x equal to plus 6. X equal to plus 6. Therefore the oxidation number of chromium in chromium dichromate, potassium dichromate, potassium dichromate is equals to plus 6. It is also equals to the plus 6 is the chromium oxidation number in the potassium dichromate. Then this calculated value of oxidation number of chromium is not exceeded the its group number, not exceeded its group number, so it is equals to its group number. Then it is the right answer. Okay, let us see one more example. The calculate the oxidation number of manganese in MnO4 minus ion. Okay, it is in the form of ionic state. It is in the form of ionic state. So for this kind of ions, the oxidation number of atoms in the ions, we can calculate the, we can take in the one principle, that is the sum of the oxidation number of atoms in ion is equals to its the net charge of the ion. That is, here the algebraic sum of the oxidation number of all the atoms in MnO4 minus ion, this ion is equals to minus 1. The algebraic sum of the oxidation number of all the atoms in this ion is equals to minus 1. Then here there is let us take the manganese as X. Let us assume manganese as X. Then here the one more is there, that is oxygen is there. Okay, there these are the normal oxygens for this kind of oxygens. Then the oxidation number is taken as minus 2. The oxidation number of oxygen equal to minus 2. Let the oxidation number of manganese be X. Then manganese plus 4 into oxygen is equals to minus 1. For manganese plus 4 into oxygen is equals to minus 1. Then let us assume manganese has X plus 4 into oxidation number is minus 2. 4 into minus 2 is equals to minus 1. Then then x in x minus 4 into minus 2. 4 to the 4 to the 8, that is minus 8. X minus 8 equal to minus 1. Then x equal to minus 1 plus 8. Minus 1 plus 8. Then x equal to plus 7. X equal to plus 7. Here also the calculated value of oxidation number of an element in ion is should not exceed its group number. It is equals to its group number. Okay, let us see one more example. Let us see one more example. Calculate the oxidation number of sulfur in SO4 minus 2 ion. SO4 minus 2 ion. Okay, it is also ion. For this kind of ions, For this kind of ions, the sum of the oxidation states of atoms in ion is equals to its net charge of the ion. Net charge of its ion. Okay, that is the sum of the oxidation number of all the atoms in the ions is equals to minus 2. The sum of the oxidation numbers of all the atoms in the ion is equals to minus 2. Here the oxidation number of oxygen is usually taken as minus 2. Let us assume oxidation number of sulfur as X. Okay, and then next, as per the rule, the sum of oxidation number of all the atoms in ion is equals to its charge. It's nothing but here there are two types of atoms are there, sulfur and oxygen. Okay, its sum is equals to its charge of the ion, that is minus 2. Okay, that is sulfur plus 4 into oxygen, it is an ion, then it is equals to minus 2. Let us assume sulfur is X plus 4 into oxidation state is minus 2, then it is equals to minus 2. X plus minus 8, X plus minus 8 equal to minus 2. Then X minus 8 equal to minus 2. Then X equal to minus 2 plus 8, minus 2 plus 8. Then X equal to plus 6. Here sulfur is a sixth A group elements. Sulfur is a sixth A group elements. Means the calculated oxidation number of sulfur in sulfate is not exceeded its group number. It is in equals to the group number. Okay, it is also one of the condition for the calculations of oxidation numbers of atoms. Okay, in this we have learnt about rules for the calculation of oxidation number and calculation of oxidation numbers of some atoms like manganese, sulfur, chromium. Let us see once again the rules for the calculation of oxidation number of atoms in a molecule or ions. Okay, that is, first of all we have to know about the what is the oxidation number. For example, SO4 minus 2 is there. I want to know the oxidation number of sulfur. Okay, in any ion or molecule, if you have to take any single atom, for that atom's oxidation number may have positive or negative, then it is called as oxidation number. The residual charge of an atom as or on appear in a molecule or ion is called as oxidation number. The oxidation number may have 0, plus 1, plus 2. Sometimes it may have also all types of values. Means that this may have 0 or positive or negative values. Sometimes it may have fractional values. Fractional values. Okay, let us see here the oxidation number of some important elements are usually hydrogen. Oxidation number is plus 1. In the case of metal hydrides, it is taken as minus 1. The taken of the usually the oxidation state of oxygen is taken as minus 2, but in the case of peroxides, the oxygen oxidation number is taken as minus 1. The halogens oxidation number is always taken as minus 1. The oxidation number of halogens, mainly fluorine oxidation number is taken as minus 1. For first year group elements, we have to take in its group number, that is plus 1. For second year group elements, the oxidation number is taken as plus 2. For third year group elements, the oxidation number is taken as plus 3. And next one, the sum of the oxidation number of atoms in a molecule. The sum of the oxidation numbers of atoms in a molecule is equals to 0. But in the case of the sum of the oxidation numbers of atoms in an ion is equals to its net charge. Is its net charge. Okay, some rules. Here the algebraic sum of the oxidation numbers of all atoms in a molecule must be equals to 0. In polyatomic ions, the algebraic sum of the oxidation numbers of all the elements must be equals to the net charge on ion. Net charge on the ion. Let us see the oxidation number of atoms to be calculated is assumed as X. The oxidation number of the atom to be calculated as assumed as X, and then the calculated oxidation number of atoms in any molecular ion should not exceed its group number. It may also equals to its group number. Let us see one example of calculation of oxidation number of manganese in KMnO4 molecule. Let the oxidation number of manganese in KMnO4 to be is equal to X. The oxidation number of potassium is +1, that is potassium belongs to first A group element. Potassium is first A group element. And next one is the oxidation number of oxygen is here -2. Okay, here KMnO4 is formed by the three different atoms, that is potassium, manganese and oxygen. Here the calculated value of manganese, then we can treat it as X. In that remaining, the potassium oxidation number is +1 because of it is first A group element. And next one is the general oxidation state of oxygen is -2. Then sum of the oxidation numbers of all the atoms so should be equals to 0. Then potassium plus manganese plus 4 into oxygen is equals to 0. Then +1 plus X plus 4 into -2 is equals to 0. Then 1 plus X minus 8 equal to 0. Then X minus 7 is equals to 0. Then X equal to +7. Then therefore the oxidation number of manganese in KMnO4 is +7. Let us see one more example. Again, the calculate the oxidation number of chromium in potassium dichromate. Okay, in this case, let the oxidation number of chromium in KMnO4 as X, K2Cr2O7 as X. Here K2, in this K2 potassium dichromate is formed by the potassium, chromium and oxygen atoms. Okay, in this kind of the oxidation number of potassium is +1. Potassium is +1. Then general oxidation state of oxygen is -2. General oxidation state is -2. As per the rules, the sum of the oxidation numbers of atoms in a molecule is equals to 0. That is 2 into potassium plus 2 into X plus 7 into oxygen, then equal to 0. 2 into plus 1 plus 2 into x plus 7 into minus 2 is equals to 0. Plus 2 plus 2x minus 14. 7 to the 14 minus 14, that is equal to 0. 2x minus 12 is equals to 0. Then x equals to plus 12 by 2, then equals to plus 6. Therefore, the oxidation number of chromium in potassium dichromate is equals to plus 6. Okay, here the chromium oxidation number is not exceeded its group number, is not exceeded its group number, it is equals to its group number. Then the calculated value of chromium oxidation number is right. Let us see the one more problem, that is calculate the oxidation number of manganese in MnO4 minus ion. Let the in the algebraic sum of the oxidation numbers of all the atoms in this ion is equals to minus 1. Okay, in the case of polyatomic ions, the sum of the uh, atomic weights of sum of the oxidation numbers of atoms in a ion in that polyatomic ions is equals to its net charge on the ions. Okay, then that is the algebraic sum of the oxidation number of all the atoms in this molecule in this ion is equals to minus 1. That is here the charge of the manganate and minus 1. Then the oxidation number of oxygen is usually taken as minus 2. Let the oxidation number of manganese is as X. Then manganese plus 4 into oxygen is equals to its charge, that is minus 1. Then we know manganese is X plus 4 into minus 2. Oxidation state is minus 2, that is equal to minus 1. Then x minus 8 equal to minus 1. Then x equal to minus 1 plus 8 is equals to x equal to plus 7. That is the oxidation state of manganese in manganate ions is plus 7. Its calculated value also is not exceeded its the calculated value of oxidation number of manganese is not exceeded its group number. Then it is a right answer. Then next one is the calculate the oxidation number of sulfur in sulfate ion. Okay, let us assume S equal to X. Sulfur is taken as X, where 4 oxygens are there. The 4 oxygens are normal oxygen. Then we have to take it as minus 2 as the oxidation state. Here it is oxidation. Its charge is minus 2. Then the sum of the oxidation numbers of all the atoms in the ion is equals to minus 2. Then sulfur plus 4 into oxygen is equals to minus 2. That is x plus 4 into minus 2 equal to minus 2. Then x plus minus 8 is equals to minus 2. Then x minus 8 equal to minus 2. Then x equal to minus 2 plus 8, then equal to x equal to plus 6. Okay, this then in the therefore the oxidation number of sulfur in sulfate ion is plus 6. Here it is not a here it is here its calculated oxidation number of sulfur is not exceeded its group number. The so correct the plus 6 is the right answer. Let us see some which questions on this. The oxidation number of manganese in MnO2 molecule is plus 2, minus 2, plus 3, plus 4, minus 1. Okay, in this manganese is, let us assume it as X. These are the two oxygens are here. Then each oxygen is oxidation number is taken as minus 2. MnO2 is in a molecule. Then its sum should be taken as 0. Then here manganese X plus 2 into minus 2, then that equal to 0. X minus 4 is equals to 0. Then x equal to plus 4. Right answer is plus 4. Next one is the oxidation number of chromium in dichromate ion is plus 4, minus 2, plus 2, plus 6. Let us assume the chromium, it is an ion. It is a ion. In this kind of ions, it is formed by the two atoms. That is, here two chromiums are there. For that we have to take it as 2 into x plus there are 7 oxygens are there. 7 into minus 2, each oxygen we have to take it as minus 2, then it is equals to minus 2, then it equals to minus 2. Then 2x plus 7 into 2, 14, plus minus, plus into minus, minus 14, this equals to minus 2. Then 2x equal to minus 2 plus 14, then 2x equals to 16, then x equals to 16 by 2 is equals to 8. The x equals to 8, but it is wrong because of in this 2x plus 7 into minus 2 equal to minus 2. This equals to 2x minus 14. This equals to minus 2. Where we get here 2x minus 2 plus 16. Here we get 12, not 16. 12 by 2, then it is equals to oxygen is 6. The right answer is plus 6. The chromium oxidation number is plus 6. From this, the frequently asked questions are: what is the oxidation number? Calculate the oxidation numbers of the following: manganese in KMnO4, chromium in potassium dichromate, iron in ferrous sulfate. Let us see here iron and ferrous sulfate. In this kind of iron ferrous sulfate is a neutral molecule. Then we can ferrous ferrous sulfate, we have to take it as X plus sulfur is a 6th A group element, then it is taken as plus 6. There are 4 oxygens are there, 4 into minus 2, then it equal to 0. Then X plus 6 minus 8 is equals to 0. Then x minus 2 is equals to 0. Then x equal to plus 2. Here ferrous sulfate, the here the iron oxidation number is plus 2. Just already we discussed this one. Chromium is plus 6, manganese is plus 7. Okay. Thank you.